When was the first iPhone released in the US?
The first iPhone was released in the United States on June 29, 2007.
Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace Siri on your iPhone or iPad with ChatGPT. I haven't used Siri in a while. I think it has fallen way behind the competition with Alexa, and now you have ChatGPT. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments. For example, let's listen to Siri's response to this question. When was the first iPhone released in the US?
Here's what I found.
No direct answer, just a bunch of web links. Now let's try with ChatGPT. When was the first iPhone released in the US?
The first iPhone was released in the United States on June 29, 2007.
Now we have a more direct answer, and it just gets better with everything. To set this up, go to the first link from OpenAI in the video description and either sign up or log in. Once you're logged in and you're on the API keys page, go ahead and click Create New Secret Key. Once you get your API key, go ahead and save it, because once you close the box, you won't be able to view it again. Now to replace Siri with ChatGPT. First, go to Shortcuts, click the plus icon here, go up here and tap to rename it to ChatGPT or whatever you'd like. Tap this icon right here to change the icon and color. I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT logo as the app icon later. For the next step, go to the search bar here and type dictate and choose dictate text. Just click it to add it. Tap this arrow and make sure it's set to English. Go back to search and type get content and choose get contents of URL. Once you have that there, copy the second link in the video description, tap on dictated text and choose clear variable, and then paste the second link from the description in the URL. Tap this arrow here and change the method from get to post. Click headers and add a new header. In the key, you're going to add content-type, just as how I wrote it. In the text field, type application/JSON. Now you're going to add a new header, and for the key, you'll type authorization, and in the text field, you'll type bearer, space, and paste the API key from the OpenAI website. I will put mine here later, that way it's not on the camera. Then under request body, you want to add a new field, choose text, and type model as the key, and in the text field, type text-davinci-003. Now add another text field and type prompt as the key, and in the text field, select dictated text from right here. Next, add another field and choose number. For the key, type max_tokens and change the value from 0 to 2000. And then you can click the arrow here to close it up. Next step is go back to search and type get dictionary and choose get dictionary from input. So that's good, it should get it from the URL. Next step, go back to search and type get dictionary and choose get dictionary value. Once you do that, go to the key and type choices. So it should be get value for choices in dictionary. Next step, go back to search and type get dictionary again and add another get dictionary value. Go to the key and type text. Next step, go back to search and type speak, then select speak text. Click the arrow and uncheck wait until finished. I will show you how to change the voice of Siri later. And for the next step, go back to search and type show result and choose show result, and that is pretty much it. Now let's add ChatGPT to the home screen, but first let's download the app icon, go to Safari and paste the third link in the video description and save the image to your photos. Once it's saved, go back to the Shortcuts app, click the three dots here, click this share icon and choose add to home screen. go ahead and click this icon right here and select choose photo and select the app icon. Click use and then click add. If you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to more people. Now let's try out ChatGPT. When was the first Mac Mini released?
The first Mac Mini was released by Apple in January 2005.
Now let's change the voice of Siri. Go to settings, choose accessibility, and click voiceover. Go to speech, click Samantha here, and click Siri. I'm going to use voice 4. Now go back to shortcuts, click the 3 dots here. Under speak, tap the arrow here, and then change the voice from Samantha to Siri voice 4. Then go back. And Siri's voice is now changed. How far away from Florida is Jamaica?
Jamaica is about 1,200 miles, 1,931 km, away from Florida.
Next, I'm going to show you how to integrate it seamlessly with your iPhone. I can just double tap the back of the device like bam bam, and it will activate ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and try it out. When was the first iPhone released?
The first iPhone was released on June 29, 2007.
I prefer this over tapping the ChatGPT app icon. To set up this gesture, go to settings on your iPhone, go to accessibility, choose touch, go down and select back tap. You can set it up as a double or triple tap. I chose the double tap. Click double tap and scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose ChatGPT under shortcuts, and you should be all set. So what do y'all think? Will Apple officially replace Siri with ChatGPT, or will they make Siri better than ChatGPT? Leave a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends.